Hello, my name's David Linton, and you may have seen me carrying out my Charts Today analysis each day on YouTube and on chartstoday.com. And I want to ask you or pose the question, how well will your stocks perform this year? And in my 30 years of working with traders and investors, the thing that I've noticed most is how we all have a habit of not taking the time to go through our portfolio and have a good look at our investments. And there's no better time to do that than at the start of every calendar year. So what I want you to do is just take this 5 minutes to watch this and 20 minutes to do this health check, your 2021 portfolio health check for yourself. And for your holdings, there's going to be 4 key things we're going to be looking at, or things that even you're considering buying. I will show you the price targets for your holdings this year, the trends, whether they're going up or down, the stocks you hold, key price levels right now, and the stop levels, the levels at which you should be selling. And you may be surprised when you start doing this analysis. It should take you no more than 20 minutes and to do this health check, and you'll have the answers for those 4 key questions. So follow me now and just take the next 5 minutes to watch this and then follow me. And feel free to stop this video at any time if you want to actually follow me in doing this. It's really straightforward. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to the Updata website and basically go to updata.co.uk, and all you need to do, we have a system run by professionals or privates. All you need to do is click the try or buy button. Now, and straight away you'll see here, this doesn't require a credit card. There's no tricks. You can do this completely free. You don't have to buy our software. I just want to show you how you can do this. So you can start with our light version. This is from as little as $9 a month, home or professional, whichever version you want. And the key thing about these is that the compatible services that are available for them. So there are 7 freely available services compatible with the light version, 19 with home, and they go up. So all you have to do if you want to look at those is look at our compatibility or compatible feeds, and this is the complete list. Now, if you have some of these services already, you can just configure Updata to run on top of those services, and you can watch demos of how to do that. But if you don't have a service, simply choose Yahoo, and I'll show you how to do that. So go enter your details, just your name and your email. We don't need anything more. You've just got to tick the terms and conditions under GDPR, tell us you're not a robot, and submit, and you're on your way in a few minutes from there having your trial. And once you've got your trial, you can then go and start to, as it's downloading, it will allow you to configure whether you want to run on market terminals, trading platforms that you've got, data feeds. But if you don't have any of these, just select on the data feeds Yahoo Finance, and this is a free service that you can run Updata on. So let's take a look at what happens next. So you will get your Updata version, your Updata Analytics, and the next thing you do is, when you've downloaded it, is go and grab, we've put this in here for you specially, a layout called My Stocks Challenge, and that's just straight from your desktops. Now, I've already loaded it here. I've got a few different desktops going on, and I'm running multiple data services, but this is all coming in from Yahoo Finance. Now, we've put together a sample of portfolio for you, but you can literally go and add your own ones. So, for example, you can just say, I want to add those, and these are all the different services I've got, but you'll probably just have Yahoo if that's what you've gone for. So let's say you want Intel, so you just type Intel and you can add Intel into your list. And you might also want Nike and anything that you can think of, and these will come from stocks all over the world. You can choose from pretty well any exchange you can think of, and you just add these in, and you see I've got a mix of stocks here. And so now we've got these stocks here. These tracker charts will tell us these stocks, and this data is pulled from Yahoo. Now, one of the things I want you to do on this first weekly chart is hit the S key. Just hit S, and we're going to put a best fit stop loss on that chart. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place that here, and that's just giving me a level where, and it's telling me a 6.5% stop loss was all I needed to use on my weekly chart. Now, the 4 charts you're looking at here are weekly, the point and figure 1% daily, the daily chart, and the 0.5% point and figure chart. So this is a longer term and a shorter term chart. So the key elements that we're looking for on those four things were price targets. These are your price targets here. And so here, for example, on Nike, we can see we've got targets to 150 and 152, 148, 154. That makes those targets look very likely, the fact that we've got lots of targets pointing to there. If you want to do our training course while you're taking your trial to learn more about these targets, let us know once you've got your trial and we'll enable you so you can understand these techniques. But the targets are all put on the charts for you, all fully automated, so we can see those are the targets. We can see here that we're above the cloud on the daily and above the cloud on the weekly. So that's bullish, bullish, with upside targets, and our stop is at around 131 at the moment. That's a trailing stop that's going up. Intel, very different picture here. We're below the cloud on the price and the line, so that is bearish on the long-term chart, and we're also below on the daily chart, so that's also bearish. We've got an upside target and a downside target, neither of which is activated, a downtrend. So this is nowhere near as good a looking chart as the other one. And you simply go through each of your holdings, add all your holdings in. You can remove any of these holdings just by going remove from watch list, and you can then go and see how much upside your stocks have for the year. And it's really that simple. So I want you to just do that exercise, and if you want to then write those numbers down or just use the trial for a few days to just get a handle on it, you can enter them in a spreadsheet, of course. It's up to you however you want to do it. And of course, if you want to carry on with the trial, we'd be delighted, so you can keep tracking your stocks each week, which is something we really advocate you should do. But if you do nothing else, just do this one-time exercise of knowing where your stocks are going. So it's up to you, but whatever you do, do not turn your back on your portfolio. Take this free health check now. So just to recap what you do, you go to Updata, to the homepage on Updata, updata.co.uk. You click the try or buy button, select the version that you want, maybe look at compatible feeds if you want to go to a real-time service, remembering that you can upgrade or downgrade your version and your feeds at any time. So it's that flexibility of being able to add data services or take them away anytime you want. There's no limit on that. Choose your data feed. As we suggest, select Yahoo. Open that desktop as we suggested, the layouts, add your own stocks and remove the sample ones, and scroll through just as I have. So when is the best time to do this? Right now. Just go simply to the Updata website and hit try or buy and have a go. And I hope you value this free opportunity to know what prices your stock holdings will go to this year. Let me know how you get on. Thank you.